All right, guys, we are here talking about Tuesday 414 assignment right here, right? And you had just clicked on this video. So to refresh, you have signed up, you've gone into Quizlet, you've clicked on the hero's journey, which basically brings you to the flashcards, and you've studied. For those of you that are new to the class, you got to enroll in the class, and then I will accept you. So it might take a day. That's why you want to get on this sooner than later, though. Once you have all done that, once you are all enrolled in Quizlet, you're going to take a couple times to study. I said 10 minutes. It might take you a little bit more, might take you a little bit less. I'm going to have you do this again if you need to. But you're going to study a couple of times, and then you're going to do assignment 1, which is really a Quizlet test. Here's how you do it. Now you're going to take the Quizlet test right on Quizlet, and it says you can take this more than once. When you have it completed with a score you are happy with, capture the screen and send to Mrs. Reeve. Here's her email. Now you can send that score a couple of ways. You can just take a picture of it if you want and send her the picture. Or you can hit print screen. The print screen button, it's often abbreviated PRTSCN. And then what you do is open up a document and then just click paste. And then that screen that you just captured will be on your document. You can send that to Miss Reeve if you like, just so that we can see the actual test has been taken. Doesn't really count as a test, but that's what Quizlet calls it. I am counting it as an assignment. It's 12 points. We're going to divide it in half, so it would be worth 6 points. So here's what you do. You go to Quizlet, you go to the hero's journey, and here's where you were studying your cards. Okay, this shows this, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to go to the next one. Once you have it down, you're going to take the test. Boom. Now, I have already set it up for how I want it. If it's not set for how you want it, click Options. You want to just do matching. That's it. It's all 12 questions, and I've unchecked all the other boxes, and I've just clicked Matching. That's all you need to do. It's with the term. I did mess around with the advanced options, and then when you're ready, create new test. And so that's what it looks like. It's a matching of literally all those terms you've been learning on the hero's journey. Now, if you want to take this more than once, that's great. Once you get a score you are happy with, so you fill in the letters. If whatever the letter is, I'm not going to tell you. You got to do that, but you fill in all the letters. Once you're done, at the very bottom, check answers. Now, once you check the answers, it'll give you a score. Again, 12 out of 12, that's going to be 6 out of 6 points, right? 10 out of 12, that's 5 out of 6 points. Once you're happy with your score, print that screen. Take a picture of it, however you want to do it, but send it to Miss Reeve. Once again, I've given you directions on how to do that. You're going to send it to Miss Reeve, whatever your score is. It has to be a picture of that screen when you click your check answers. Again, you can copy that a number of ways. You can literally just take a picture from your phone and send it to her. Here's the email. Or once you're on that screen, if you don't know how to use print screen, it's the print screen button. It's often abbreviated PRTSCN or something like that. Then you just open up a new document, click paste, boom, it'll be there, and then send her that document. If you have questions, let me know. It's pretty simple. Just go back to the Hero's Journey link, scroll down, you're going to click the test, and then again, mine pops up because I've already set my options correctly. But you're going to set the options, make sure just matching is clicked, and it should be all 12 of 12. Create new test. Boom. There you go, guys. Send it to her no later than this Friday. That would be Friday the 17th we're talking about at 11:59 p.m. Send it before then. Let's not wait. Let's not dally. Get it done as soon as you can. And then send it to Miss Reeve, and that's the assignment. Thank you.